Updating your payout destination on PlayStation is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your PlayStation account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings. This can typically be found in the main menu under your profile or account option. Step 3. Access payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the isrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payout destination. Select the option to edit or update your payout destination. Enter the new payment details such as bank account information or preferred payment method, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout destination has been successfully updated. Make sure to double-check all information before finalizing your changes. Keeping your payout details current is crucial for receiving your earnings without any issues.